Salam and hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's activity is about matching the name of the letter with its name, plus matching the animals and matching the words with each letter and animals. Like you see here in my picture, on the right side the words, on the left the names of the letter, and on the bottom you can see the picture. This activity like a matching game activity. I'm going to show you step by step how to do it. Let's start it. First, I'm showing you that you can use a sleeve instead of the lamination machine if you don't have one, but I like to use the lamination machine so I can save it and use it for all my kids. Now we need to color some of those pictures. Then we laminate and cut. Here I used a folder to put all the letters and I used Velcro. The first activity is to match the letters, then to match the animals. ألف أسد، باء بطريق، تاء تمساح, and تاء ثعلب. So what I did here is I wrote the first one in Arabi بطريق, then in English penguin. If you don't know how to read it in Arabic, you can go to the third one and read it. And the same here with Jamal, and same with Hout, and same with Kharoof. I got those blocks from Dollar Tree. If you don't have it, you can find anything from your house to do hands-on learning. So what you can do here with the letter ba, ta, and ta, you can sing a song to your kids about ba. This is the letter ba. We call it bottom ba because it has one dot on the bottom ba. This is the letter ba. And ta, top ta because it has two dots on the top ta. And the last one is the letter tha. It has three dots on the top, three tha. So we call it three tha. I got those cute eraser from Target, and they can trace it with the eraser or with the blocks or with anything at home.